Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 7 and its title is Climate Change. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, edit and amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, we will learn about 24-hour clock format, that how we can get time in through different ways. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, already you have learned about the time and clock, how we can judge and how we can get time on a clock. Okay, on page number 22. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to get 24-hour time format. So our today's student learning outcome is locate specific information in a 24-hour clock digital analog. Okay. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, there is a brainstorming activity for you. Which activity is there? Yes, there is a clock in front of you and this is a wall clock, my dear students. So see there and try to judge that which timing is being shown and how many seconds, minutes, and how we can get our 12 hours timing and which time is there. Okay, you have to tell that which is this hand and which this hand is telling and this hand also. Okay, 3 hands are there and discuss these hands and time with your teacher. Pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class. Welcome back. I hope now you have got that how we can get different timing through a clock. So let's see what is a clock. A clock is a device that shows what time it is and that is usually placed in a room or attached to a wall. Okay, so it can be in any shape, my dear students, but it is a device that tells us time. A clock is a device that tells us time and we can see that which time is there and we can hang in place in any room or in attached to a wall. So see there what is its use. It is used for measuring time, indicating hours, minutes and seconds by hands on a round dial. Okay, so already we have seen that 3 hands are there. So what one is indicating hours, other minutes and the third one seconds we can see. So let's see which are there. So that already we have seen that. Yes, my dear, this small hand always tells us about hours. Okay, and that another hand is there. This is for minutes and that a red hand and it is extra large. Okay, this always shows about seconds and we can get that. Now you can see which time is going on. Yes, 3 o'clock. That the long hand is at 12 and the short hand is at 3. So it means 3 o'clock. Okay, in this way we can see timing on a clock. So see there, what is a digital clock? Let's see. A digital clock is a type of a clock that displays the time digitally, i.e. in numerals or other symbols. Okay, on a digital clock there is a wall clock that already I have shown you and we have to judge time by our observation. Already we have judged that what time is going on according to the hands. But on a digital clock, how we can see there on digital clock we can see time in numerals or other symbols. In numerals this is, so we can see easily that what its time, it's 7 o'clock. Okay, this time format and this type of clock is called a digital clock and that other clock already I have shown you. You can see there this is called a wall clock, a simple clock that we can get time according to the hands of clock. Okay, so have you got that? So let's see next. What is 24-hour time format? The 24-hour clock is a time format where you don't use AM and PM. So be careful, my dear students, and listen carefully. What is 24-hour clock time format? We did not write, we don't show AM or PM, as we know that AM is for morning time, okay, from midnight like 12 a.m. to in daytime 12 p.m. okay, till that, and p.m. is night time. Okay, these are being used. So we don't use in 24-hour clock format. How we can see that? Counting for the first 12 hours of the day is the same as in 12-hour clock, but from 13 to 24 for PM hours. Okay, till 12-hour clock I'm going to show you on a clock. See there, my dear student, here is another clock that I have highlighted timing. So from 1 to till 12 in the daytime is same. Okay, same as that we are watching time on our 12-hour clock. But after 12, then we are counting to moving towards at night time. Then we are counting from 13, like 13, 14, 15, and in the different way till 24. Okay, and these time is shown as night time. And be careful and keep remember that we don't use AM or PM for 24-hour clock. Okay, have you got? And there are some rules that I have fixed. You can see that. You can judge how we can see in 12-hour clock what we have seen. The hours go from 12 to 12 twice a day. Got it? Already you are watching time, and now I know that you have a complete sense how we can get time. So in 12-hour clock, time is going on 12 to 12 twice a day, means 12 o'clock at daytime and 12 o'clock at midnight, night time. So 12, but how in 24-hour clock? The hours go from 0 to 24. So have you got that? Means in this hour format, so this is going from 0 to 24 directly. You must use AM or PM. Already we know that if there is a daytime, then we will write 12 AM. If there is a night time, we write 12 PM. Got it? So AM, PM are compulsory in 12-hour clock. But you don't use AM or PM. We don't use in AM or PM. Okay, AM is before noon and PM is afternoon. Have you got that? Before noon we use AM because it is counted as a morning time, and afternoon we use PM because it is going to a night time, and time is always shown as 4 digits. In 24-hour clock, time is always shown as 4 digits. Is it clear? So now see there, now we are moving toward an activity, my dear teacher and my dear students. So be ready. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, take a class in the class, take a clock in the class and give practice to students about 24 and 12-hour and 24-hour clock practically. Make sure that each student participate in this activity. Teacher will guide them during this activity. Okay, you have to show a clock and students will find, and you will also guide to your students, my dear teacher, that they will get time about 12-hour and 24-hour format, and you will guide them properly, okay, during this activity. So enjoy the activity in your class and then come back. Oh, welcome back. I hope you have done with it, and now you have got practically that how we can tell different timing as 12-hour clock format and 24-hour clock format. So yes, now we are moving toward an individual activity on page number 57, and question number 12 is there. So now you have to see the time, see their time, and you have to tell the time format in two shapes. One is that 8 and 20. Okay, so in this way, means this is 12 hours timing and this is 24-hour timing. So you have to do in same way. Okay, so perform this activity in your class on your book. Good job. I hope you have done with it. This was the same way. Okay, and you have to find in there. Got it? Good job. So what's your homework for today? You have to draw a clock and mention timing of 5 prayers in your notebooks. So you have to draw a clock in your notebook and you will write your 5 timings prayer. We are offering prayer 5 times in a day. So that timing you will mention in your clock. Okay. So this is your homework. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students, and let's see how they can differentiate between 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock format. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about time can be mentioned on 12-hour and 24-hour clock format, and we have covered up our SLO, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you got a different way to tell time. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah.